Provision Networks partner Ooma has transformed the telecommunications landscape for one of the largest senior care operators in North America, delivering significant cost savings and enhanced reliability. The urgency arose when their existing provider announced the shutdown of 500 plain old telephone service, or POTS, lines with just 45 days' notice. The customer faced high costs with multiple providers and sought consolidation. With over 1,000 lines deployed, the AirDial Remote Device Management, or RDM portal, offered a comprehensive view of all units and lines, simplifying management and monitoring. The customer's IT consultant, familiar with various POTS replacement solutions, played a crucial role in the sourcing. The AirDial RDM portal's single pane of glass view and detailed inventory capabilities were key factors in their decision. By transitioning over 800 lines across 100 locations before a significant price hike, the customer saved hundreds of thousands of dollars. As of today, all lines are installed, supporting critical functions like fire alarms, security, and emergency communications.